Did you know more than half of developers in the USA admit they've used AI-generated code without fully understanding it? Sounds harmless. Until that code hides a bug or worse, a security hole that hackers can use to get into your website. AI tools are fantastic for speeding up development, but here's the truth, they're not perfect. And if you don't check the output, you could be inviting trouble into your business without even knowing it. I've seen businesses lose customers, data, and trust just because they copied and pasted code without validation. Now, here's the smart way to protect yourself, and it won't cost you a single dollar. Step 1. Run your AI code through a static code analyzer like SonarQuay Community Edition or Codical. Both are free and will highlight risky functions, unused variables, or outdated libraries in seconds. Step 2. Test your code before it goes live using JShFiddle or CodaPen. This lets you safely run it in a sandbox so you can see exactly what it does without risking your site. Step 3. Scan for vulnerabilities using SNCC or OWASP-ZAP. Both have free tiers. They flag any dependencies or code snippets with known exploits, so you can fix them before hackers find them. And step 4. This one's my favorite, use GitHub Copilot, Chat, or ChatGPT free version, not just to write code, but to explain it back to you in plain English. If you understand every single line, you'll be in full control of your project, not the other way around. Look, your website is more than just pixels on a screen. It's your business' first line of defense. If you want me to personally review your AI-generated code and make it bulletproof, just mention me in the comments, and I'll guide you from there. Before you click away, remember this. One tiny vulnerability can cost you thousands of dollars in damage. So, if this video helped you, hit subscribe right now. Tap like and share it with a friend who's using AI for coding. Trust me, their future self will thank you. Stay tuned because in my next video, I'll show you how to make your AI-built website load faster than your competitors, without touching a single line of code.